3. Today's my topic is interference in computers. Good afternoon everyone. I am Rodney. I am explaining about interference in computers. Good afternoon everyone. My name is Dev Bhavati. I am going to explain about the topic. Good afternoon everyone. My name is N.Rakshitha. My topic is optical fibers. Good afternoon everyone. I am Padmasri. My topic is Previous law for colorless light. Good afternoon everyone. My name is Lakshmi. Here my topic is about differences between Good afternoon. Good afternoon everyone. My topic is difference between interference and reflection. Good afternoon everyone. My name is Lakshmi. My topic is polarization. Did anyone know what is meant by interference? Yes. When two waves collide. Yeah, correct. Interference is nothing but when two or more waves combine each other to form a resultant wave. For example, this is one wave traveling in a medium, and this is the another wave traveling in the same medium. These two waves combine to give the resultant wave. This is known as interference. This interference follows the one principle. That principle is known as principle of superposition. Principle of superposition means when two or more waves travel in the same medium simultaneously, then the resultant displacement of the resultant wave is equal to the algebraic sum of the two individual waves. For suppose y1 and y2 are the displacement of these two waves traveling in same direction, then by the principle of superposition we can write that resultant displacement y is equal to y1 plus or minus y2. This is called as principle of superposition. In this we have two cases. Now we are going to discuss about these two cases. If these two waves are traveling in the same direction, then we will get the resultant displacement as maximum. If two waves are in that maximum, we can write the condition y is equal to y1 plus y2. This is the condition for getting maximum displacement. If these two waves are traveling in different directions, in the sense in this case we will get the minimum displacement. Here we can write capital Y. The resultant displacement is equal to y1 minus y2. These are the two cases which are including in the principle of
types of interference. And interference means when two or more waves having same amplitude, frequency, wavelength meet together in a medium is known as interference. And types of interference, there are mainly two types of interference. One is constructive interference and another is destructive interference. Constructive interference means when two waves traveling in the same direction and the interference with each other, then the resultant amplitude should be sum and the resultant amplitude is maximum. This is A1, amplitude of the first wave, and this is A2, amplitude of the second wave. And in constructive interference it should be in sum. And it has calculation. We have to add square on both sides. Where A1 is equal to A2. And I is directly proportional to A square. and the resultant amplitude is 4s. Difference is when music is playing, when two speakers facing together and play the music, the volume that comes from them is too louder than compared to single one. When two waves are traveling in opposite direction, when they meet, when they interfere together, the resultant amplitude is the difference and resultant amplitude is minimum. A1 is the amplitude of the first wave. A2 is the amplitude of second wave, and it should be in difference as it is destructive interference. Squaring on both sides. And I minimum, here the destructive interference has 0 value. And the conditions for interference is there are coherent sources in light medium, and it should be in same direction, and the source is in a monochromatic wave. Monochromatic wave is short wavelength.